Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the exactly right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online property service. What exactly is an online property service or a portal? This is a PropTech, and this is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours. What exactly are virtual site tours? Well, in this, we will tell you everything about the property that I'm showing you, starting from the land parcel to the number of towers to the sample flats and all that you need to know, including the amenities and the carpet areas as well. And once you've done that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you how can you also go ahead with the booking process. And there are also many advantages of taking a property with Property Cloud. A few of them are that, of course, we connect you directly with the developer. And also, because we are doing that, we will also give you the bottommost price and zero brokerage. Now, when I say the bottommost price, what do I mean? That means that we will give you spot payment booking options and also many other offers on your booking with us. Along with that, as I mentioned, that it is zero brokerage. So there will be no brokerage charged to you when you are buying a property with us. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you a lot more here. Let's go. And here I am today at the Highgates by Parmar Enterprises and Gandharva Developers. This is a premium project which is located at a very premium location. This is one of the best locations in Hadapsar, Bhosle Garden. Now this whole project is constructed in a total land parcel of 2.5 acres and they're gonna have 3 towers which will be of 21 floors. And the best part is going to be that they're going to have multiple amenities. लेकिन amenities से और towers से कहीं ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है इनका sample flat. I absolutely fell in love with it and now it's your turn. Let's go together so that I can show you how beautifully they have made the sample flat. Chale? And here we are just about to enter the beautiful, spacious 1216 square feet apartment. चलें घर के अंदर और देखें कि ये कैसा है. Right over here at the entrance, we have a video door phone for your safety and security and a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint and a digital key and a physical key. This is your foyer area that takes us directly into the house. Keeping in mind your privacy, you do not have direct access, but you have to take this turn to enter the living area. And before the living area, we will enter the guest bedroom. This over here is your guest bedroom that comes with, of course, an attached toilet and wash to it and a balcony. Let's first take a look at the attached toilet and wash. This over here comes with anti-skid tiles, a glass shower partition and also the premium quality CP sanitary fittings. And over here, this door opens right into your balcony. Now the balcony comes with wooden finished ceramic tiles. The construction site work you can already see behind, and this balcony is covered from 3 sides. When we are already talking about how your privacy has been taken care of by placing a wall in front of the entrance, by placing the guest bedroom at the entrance, along with that even the kitchen has been placed as per your privacy requirements so that your maids can come into the kitchen and without entering the rest of the house they can leave. So this is your kitchen area, which is again pretty spacious. There is a special provision for your refrigerators and an L-shaped granite slab that ends over here at your vegetable sink. Now your vegetable sink ends at your dry utility area. This one is an enclosed dry utility area. There is good provision for your washing machines and dishwashers. And despite being an enclosed dry utility area, they've provided a very big window for perfect ventilation and also for good lighting. Perfection की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो take a look at your living and dining space. Now this is your living and this is your dining space. So the best part that I liked about it is कि अगर आप खाना खा रहे हैं तो भी you can interact with people sitting in the living area. And if you are already sitting in the living area, you have access to TV because the TV point has been kept at such a strategic place. Now let's take a look at the balcony that is there for the living area as well. Living area में भी balcony है just like guest bedroom में थी, और ये रही आपकी balcony which comes with these wooden finished ceramic tiles, is covered from 3 sides and also comes with a toughened glass railing. Right over here, I'm standing in the common area. Dining area के exactly बाजू में आपका आ जाएगा common toilet and wash, जो कि मिल जाएगा आपको with anti-skid tiles. इसमें भी आपको मिल जाएगा ये glass shower partition and also wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. And now let's take a look at the kids' bedroom. this is the kids bedroom that comes with this really big size window. Now the best part about this window is कि half जो है window ये fixed आएगी और half जो है ये sliding window आएगी, जिसकी वजह से आपको मिलेगा एक standing balcony का feel भी, और इसमें आपको मिल जाएगा एक pre-fitted mosquito net भी. So isn't that amazing? And now it's time for the master bedroom of this master apartment. Right over here is the master bedroom, and this one of course comes with an attached toilet and wash also to it. Let's take a look at it. This comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. And now if you also notice, the window over here is also pretty big, ranging from this wall until that wall. This window comes with this sliding doors and also has a pre-fitted mosquito net to it. Along with that, the bottom part of it is a fixed glass, because of which there is going to be perfect lighting, and because of the sliding windows, there's going to be amazing ventilation as well. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, well, I am moving ahead so that I can tell you how can you go ahead with the booking process. Of course, now that you've seen this property virtually, I'm sure you want to know how can you physically come and see this property, or how can you book the house if you really liked it. And how can I not tell you about all of this? Stay tuned with me. Just in a moment, I'm gonna tell you exactly क्या करना है booking के लिए. बने रहिए. Now that you've seen the complete property, you need to know how do we go ahead with the booking process? It's very simple. In the captions, एक link mentioned है जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिससे कि आप register कर पाएंगे अपने आप को हमारे साथ, और फिर हमारे सेल्स पर्सन कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे आपको, जिसके बेसिस पे आपको वो दिखाएंगे the whole property, and this is going to be absolutely with free pickup and drop service. That's right, you heard it. Your dedicated relationship manager who will take you on site visits with absolutely free pickup and drop service and many more advantages. If you're going to book the property with us, all you need to do is very quickly click on the site below and get yourself registered on Property Cloud. Until then, I'm going to see you very soon. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, please do not forget to mention in the comments how well did you like this property. Thank you.